Giving a customer their money back on Stripe feels like a simple button click, but it is actually a delicate dance with your bank account and processor fees. You lose the original processing fee the moment you hit that button, and ignoring the timeline can cause a massive headache for your payout schedule. Stay until the end, and I will show you how to avoid a frozen payout when your balance dips into the red. Stripe processes payments for a price, and that price is the fee they keep. When you refund someone, the money goes back to the customer, but the processing fee is gone. It is a sunk cost for your business. Because of this, Stripe requires you to have enough funds in your account to cover the original transaction. If your account is empty, the refund waits in a pending state until you either receive new payments or manually top up your balance via a bank transfer. Think of it like trying to return an item at a store that just opened its register. If there is no cash in the drawer, the manager has to go get more. To start a refund, log into your Stripe dashboard and head straight to the Payments page. Find the specific transaction you need to address. Click on the Overflow menu, that is the little icon with 3 dots next to the charge, and select the option that says Refund Payment. A window pops up where you can choose between a full refund or a partial one. You can issue multiple partial refunds until the original amount is exhausted, as long as you act within 180 days of the charge. Always add a reason for the refund, or at least a note under the Other category to keep your records clean for tax season. Confirm the action, and Stripe pushes the request to the customer's bank. This is a one-way street, so be careful because refunds are irreversible once submitted. If the refund has not reached the customer yet, you might get lucky and be able to cancel it, but do not bank on that. The customer typically sees the money in 5 to 10 business days, though certain methods like ACH take longer. Now for that pro tip. Stripe will pause all your future payouts if a refund pushes your balance into the negative. This blocks your cash flow. To keep things moving, check your account balance before sending a large refund. If your balance is thin, wait for a few new sales to come in first. Keeping a small cushion in your account balance acts as a shock absorber so you can process returns without triggering a payout freeze.